Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at gold via the Gold Spotter, ticker GLD. But before we get into this chart, I definitely think that you should be watching gold right now because we're actually getting a pre-breakout from some of the gold miners. We have GDX making a higher high today and doing it on higher than average volume. And Dan Fitzpatrick over at StockMarketMentor.com, he added GDX and KGC, Kinross Gold, to our active trade list over at Stock Market Mentor. And so these trades are working for our members right now. And so we definitely want to watch to see if the gold miners are breaking out ahead of the actual gold spider. Because if you look at the gold spider here, it's not breaking out just yet. We have a tightening pattern with GLD just kind of going sideways, bouncing up against resistance, clear downward sloping trend line resistance, clear upward sloping trend line support. And now we want to see if this can pinch and pop up above 312 and do it on higher than average volume. So I would have an initial alert here on GLD in and around 312. And then I think you might want to add to a position in GLD above 316.25. So that's your trade and setup on GLD. Definitely something we're watching closely over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope it's helpful, and I'll see you next time.